Hi, this is Attorney Dion. I'm an associate at Bacon Wilson, and I practice in the bankruptcy and insolvency group. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about things that you need to think about should you find yourself in a situation that you may need to file bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a process that allows you to, in general, get a fresh financial start, but in order to do so, there is some documentation that you need to be able to provide to the lawyer to help you through the process. If you find yourself swimming in debt and you've talked to an attorney about bankruptcy, one of the things that you're going to want to do is get a credit report. There's a lot of advertisements on TV for free credit reports. However, you'll find a lot of those will still charge you some fee in order to process that report for you. If you actually go online, you can locate the precise credit reporting agencies, and by law they have to give you one free credit report per year. I strongly recommend that you do that. One reason is you might be surprised all the information that's on that credit report. Numerous clients have told me that they had debts listed on that credit report that frankly they had completely forgotten about. When you're going to file bankruptcy, my perspective is do it correctly. If there's any indication that you may owe a debt, even if it's on an old card that you thought had been written off, if it's showing up on the credit report, I would include that in the bankruptcy. You really want to make sure when you walk out of bankruptcy, you have a clean slate. So pulling a credit report is important. The other thing the attorney is going to need is tax returns. You'll generally want to gather your last 2 years worth of tax returns. Finally, pay stubs are also important. There are some guidelines that attorneys have to follow when they're preparing bankruptcy petitions, and we need those pay stubs from you to indicate exactly how much you're earning and paying out on your taxes. Other quick things to think about if you find yourself in a position that you may need to file bankruptcy. Some people have a desire to move assets around. I don't want to lose my motorcycle, so let me quickly give this motorcycle to my brother so that I don't lose it in the bankruptcy. And I would just caution you about those types of movements. Again, make sure you talk to an attorney, get advice from a legal professional on how to handle those types of issues, because frankly, if the court uncovers the fact that you have moved an asset around, it can create more problems for you than it can benefits. The other and last point I want to make is be very cautious about making any big repayments on any of your debts if you're going to file bankruptcy. The bankruptcy regulations attempt to treat all creditors equal, and if you've gone ahead and made a large payment to one creditor but not paid the other creditors, the trustee may have to intervene to attempt to even the playing field with the other creditors who didn't receive payment. So again, all of these are important issues, but bankruptcy is a fairly complicated area of law. You do want to make sure you talk to an attorney and get the proper legal advice before you move forward with this matter. This is Attorney Dion. I'm an associate at Bacon Wilson in the bankruptcy and insolvency practice area. Should you have any questions about anything regarding bankruptcy or other financial matters, don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email. I'd be happy to talk to you.